Hey guys, Motor Car Nut here, and today we're talking about the PCV valve on the TSI VW engines. A lot of times these give misfire codes. Well, it'll be a misfire because usually these things have a vacuum leak. Like if you put your finger on this little area, I took it off anyway. You see the little hole there? There's not supposed to be any suction in that hole or making noises. All right, chances are, if it does, the PCV, I keep saying PVC. PVC is piping, PCV, but you get a positive crankcase ventilation. I just cleared that up. All right. A lot of people say you could just take this off, but you know what? You can get these aftermarket. They're about $40. And okay, if you do take it apart, it's probably going to be a hole in this little diaphragm. Okay, that's true. All right, and you can put a new one in there. But the aftermarket ones, I don't know if they're going to be the same quality, but whatever. But there's also other things in here. All right, there's other things that can go wrong with this. This over here. All right, it has a system over here. So this whole thing itself, you should replace, not just this. All right. They do have, I mean, these I think about $20, and the whole thing you can get it for $40. You don't have to get a factory one. All right, you can go aftermarket if you want. Is it going to be the best? You know, it may last for 10 years. Who knows? You know, or a factory one may fail in 4. So you know, you do what you want, whatever you feel comfortable doing. But yeah. So this is usually what not usually. Like I said, anything else in here can fail. But if you wanted to take it apart, you can. You know, it has all little tabs. You go around with a screwdriver and pop it off. And, you know, the sprinkles in there. And you could replace that if you want. But, again, I don't recommend that. All right? And this can give you, because if this can give you a P0300, what that means is a multiple misfire. Computer doesn't know what cylinder it is. And usually when it affects all 4 cylinders, it's a vacuum leak, a fuel-related problem. You know, a lot of people start changing out coils. All 4 coils are not going to go at once. Obviously, you got to think a little bit. You got to, use your brain a little bit. All right. So anyway, that was just a little small video about this, and this can cause misfire codes and should be replaced as a whole unit, not just the diaphragm. All right, guys, Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much.